Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and of course, with the Overcomer Ministry now gone from broadcasters as they ended their transmissions on June 30th. So, since July 1st, a lot of stations have a new schedule, and it's interesting. I was looking at WRMI, which had extensive brothers there, and of course, all of that is gone. So I was looking at what replaces Brothers Dare. Did they have anything? And one of the things that I observed immediately is the amount of Brothers Dare slots that have now been changed with something called Classic Redneck Radio. So this is interesting. I don't know what is the deal, what kind of deal they made with those making this show. But obviously, extensive schedule now with Classic Redneck Radio being across the schedule. And, of course, lots of hours of transmissions probably also gone down. So this is interesting to see this. And you could see all the no more Brothers Dare anywhere. So definitely change and a shift in their broadcasting. And during the daytime, you could see that there's just a few frequencies that are used, and it's mostly at nighttime, 0 UTC, 01. We'll be checking out the different shows popping up during that the evening. So here we have a lot of things that aren't filled up, like 93.95 in gray, things like that. It doesn't have any names on it. So that'll be interesting to tune in the frequencies. I'll actually do that tonight a little bit on WRMI frequencies that usually have all sorts of programming. See how empty or not their transmitters are, if they're on the air or not. So kind of interesting. What's gray and something gray? I don't know if it's the different transmitters, I guess. So this is definitely going to be interesting to look at, see what they are going to replace, maybe other time slots with some new programming. Hopefully. There's still quite other things in the schedules, but we have to say that, the Brothers Dare Overcomer Ministry will leave some empty slots, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.